The hidden power inside you. What if your body is hiding a power you've never used? A power that could break the rules of science or even save your life. Stay with me. The truth might shock you. Welcome to Infinite Gist. This is where reality feels stranger than sci-fi. Today you'll meet ordinary people who unlocked abilities that shouldn't exist. And the real question is simple. If they can do it, why not you? Let's begin. Get ready to rethink what humans can do. The man who controls the cold. Picture this. A man sitting in a tub of ice for 2 hours. His heartbeat stays calm and his body stays warm as if nothing is happening. This is Wim Hof. He uses only breathing and focus to do the impossible. Doctors tested him expecting disaster. Instead, his body reacted like it had a cheat code. He controls his temperature and immune system. He controls things we were told humans cannot control. So, ask yourself, if one human can do that, what else are we capable of? The human camera. Imagine taking a short helicopter ride over a giant city. You land, and then draw the entire thing perfectly from memory. That's Wiltshire. His mind records the world like a camera. Scientists searched for something unusual in his brain. They found nothing completely normal. So the mystery grows. Why can his mind do what ours can't? Or maybe ours can too. We just haven't unlocked it yet. The man who survived lightning 7 times. There was a man named Roy Sullivan, a calm park ranger, living a quiet life. But lightning loved him for reasons no one understands. He survived 7 lightning strikes. 7. A number that should be impossible. Scientists couldn't explain it. Doctors had no answers. Maybe his body resisted current differently. Maybe he had a biological shield, or some unknown trait. Or, maybe the universe itself was watching him. Some mysteries refuse to stay ordinary. The memory that never forgets. Imagine remembering every day of your life, in perfect detail, every smell, every emotion, every conversation forever. Some people can do this. It's called hyperthymesia. It seems like a superpower, but it's also a curse because they remember everything, even the painful things. Scientists studied their brains down to the smallest structure. They found nothing unusual. So what if your mind stores everything too? What if you simply don't have the key yet? The taste of a superhuman. Some people taste the world on a different level. They are called supertasters. They detect flavors like a microscope, detecting atoms. They taste chemicals most people never notice. It sounds small, but imagine if all your senses were that sharp. What could you do then? And here's the twist. This is only the beginning. The mind is doing things no one believed were possible. And we're just getting started. The blind who can see. Close your eyes and imagine total darkness. No shapes or colors. Now imagine walking through a room full of obstacles without touching a single thing. It sounds impossible. But it's real. And it's called blindsight. People with it swear they can't see anything. Yet their bodies react to visual information perfectly. The brain sees even when the eyes don't. Science studies and measures it, but still can't explain how. It's almost like there's a second visual system, one we never knew existed. The people who use echolocation, you've heard of bats using sound to see. But some humans can do it too. Some blind individuals ride bikes and walk crowded streets. They map rooms using tiny clicking sounds. It shouldn't be possible because human hearing isn't built for that. But their brains adapt in extraordinary ways. They transform sound into images. It's like unlocking a hidden upgrade inside the mind. The woman who doesn't feel fear. There's a woman known only as SM, who cannot feel fear at all, not even a little. Scientists tried everything. Spiders, snakes, haunted houses, jump scares. She laughed, smiled, and walked toward danger. Her fear center was destroyed by a rare condition. But instead of collapsing, her brain rewired itself. Fear shapes every human decision, but SM lives in a world completely without it. Imagine how that changes a person. Imagine how that changes life itself. When dreams become real. Some people don't just dream, They control their dreams like a second reality. They fly, move objects, and solve real-life problems while asleep. It's called lucid dreaming, but advanced dreamers take it to another level. Their minds wake up inside the dream. Scientists found unusual brain activity during these dreams, but they can't explain how consciousness turns on in sleep. Makes you wonder, what if your dreams are training you for something? The unknown intuition. Some people sense events seconds before they happen. They dodge danger with no warning at all. Science calls it intuition, but the timing and accuracy don't add up. It's like the brain is running silent predictions faster than we can think. But what if it has more than prediction? What if your brain knows more than you realize? And if that idea scares you a little, it should. The future human. You've seen the strange and the mysterious. Now it's time for the unbelievable. These next abilities don't just break the rules. They rewrite the future of our species. The bones that don't break. Some families have bones so dense they're almost unbreakable. What shatters normal bones barely leaves a scratch on them. Doctors say their skeletons look like they belong to another version of humanity. Imagine an entire generation evolving with bones designed to survive impacts. Feels like the first step into the next era. A preview of what stronger humans might become. The fast healers. Some people heal at incredible speed, with cuts closing in hours and bruises vanishing in a day. Even broken bones recover in record time. Their bodies regenerate like they're working in overdrive. Researchers found unusual growth activity, but still can't explain the cause. Healing like this feels like a superpower, but maybe it's just humanity evolving early. The human battery. Imagine touching a light bulb and it turns on instantly. Sounds impossibly, except there's a man in Serbia who can do exactly that. Electricity flows through him without harm. He heats metal and powers devices with nothing but his body. His bioelectric system works differently from everyone else. Scientists still can't explain the limits of his ability. Maybe human energy is far stronger than we think. Maybe your body runs on more power than you ever imagined. The sixth sense. Some people can sense storms hours before they arrive. Others feel when someone is staring at them with eerie accuracy. A few detect vibrations outside normal human hearing. These aren't magic tricks, they are sensory abilities most of us lost long ago. But evolution never forgets. Sometimes it brings old abilities back. The final mystery. The rarest human ability is something almost unbelievable. Perfect instinct. These people make the right choice at the right time over and over again. They avoid danger and sense opportunity like they're guided by something unseen. When scientists studied them, the results only grew more confusing. Their brains weren't faster or stronger, just different. Maybe it's evolution, maybe adaptation, or maybe something humanity is slowly growing toward. One thing is clear. We still don't know our limits, not even close.